our Food Network Essential Bakeware Set. I am so excited. I just can't wait to eat these cookies. What about you? What about you? I can't wait to eat the cookies. We have all the way from round to square to low pan. It's so delicious. It's running me crazy because I'm thinking about the cookies every single minute. I don't know which one to pick from because we have the 10-piece Essential Bake Set. So let's enjoy these cookies.
It's right here, Rena.
Okay.
It's right here.
Just relax. Focus on your side. It's two sides. Oh, wait a minute. You're right. You're right.
This is starting.
Okay.
It's empty, guys.
Okay.
We already got all the pieces.
All right, let's go ahead and take this box and get this out the way. Let's open it here. Put it in the middle so everybody can get their paws on it. Liv, you come on this side, Rainy on this side. Grace, you in the middle. Just kind of.
Ow.
It's a little tough. There you go. There you go.
Looks like I can't get out.
Round pan, square pan, square pan. I guess that's just the top, you know, where Mama makes up delicious cookies and Daddy and Arena and Grace and all the, and keep the cookies fresh.
Pan.
Yeah, let's get these boxes out the way here.
And
Let's get this
here
paper
at
out the
Food
way.
Network, Essential.
Okay. All
I know
right.
which one we're going to use.
Which one we're going to use?
This one.
How did you figure that out? How did you figure that out?
She's probably smart.
She's probably smart. We right about that one. This one loves to eat, by the way. Okay? So that's gonna be a good
loves
cooker.
everything.
Everything.
Everything you give her. Everything you give her.
Anything
she will
rolling
eat it.
across the table, she'll
You
eat
don't
it.
like
Ain't
She
that right,
eats
Rena?
salad,
Anything,
spaghetti,
I don't care what
panda,
is rolling on the table,
McDonald's,
she'll
she'll
eat it.
eat anything.
If it's a bug or anything rolling on the table, she'll eat it.
Is it bacon or pancakes or waffles? She'll eat it.
Okay.
Anything you give her, she'll eat it.
All right.
Water, wipe it down. No.
So we're about to begin and get started with the cooking process. Are we excited? Huh? No, let me do that again. Are we excited? Yeah! Do you want some delicious cookies to go in your bellies?
Yes. Oh, you got the cookie dough. Ooh, box top. Right here. Box top. Right here. Box top. Box top. Box top. Box top. I'm gonna hit the pitch.
Alright, make sure it's nice and clean. There you go. Alright, go ahead and dip the water. And you take this over there and wipe it down, okay? Wipe down all the crevices. Wipe over there. You can wipe it down over there. Okay, we're getting ready to bake, and we noticed that after looking at the cookies, it states that because this is a non-stick cookie sheet, that we have to set the temperature to 325 instead of 350. So what we're going to do is we're going to set the temperature to 325 degrees. Is that Fahrenheit? Yes, Fahrenheit. Simply hit what, Olivia?
Bake.
Okay. And we hit bake, and then after we hit bake, we put in 3, 2, 5, because it's a non-stick.
Yes.
Okay? And we're going to let this Maytag do its work.
What? Look at that bread. It looks like.
Is that enough?
No, you said you wouldn't do the whole thing.
You heard me, didn't you?
It's like sausage. It doesn't have to be pretty, doesn't it? Cow. It's stuck. It's fine. Look at mine just hanging.
Good job, Gracie.
Look at mine. Look at mine. Mine's nice and pretty. You guys are just not the best. You guys are just
It
trying
is
your best.
time to get our bake on. Can you look at the camera?
Who's this? 'Cause that's good.
This is my little baker. Come on, put it down here, my little baker. All right. Can you look at the camera and say, it's time to get our bake on?
It's time to get our bacon.
Can the church say amen?
Amen.
One more time, everybody. It's time to get our bake on.
It's time to get our bacon.
All right, all right. Bake time. All right, Liv, thank you so much. All right, so now, Liv, you grab this sheet right here. Rita, you grab this one. Grace, what you're gonna do is you're gonna assist, okay? You're gonna come over here and you're gonna open up the oven. I'm gonna watch you, okay? I'm gonna be careful. Back up. Back up. There you go. Good job, Grace. Okay, so Liv, Arena, go ahead. Well, no, let me do this. It's a little hot. This is perfect. Careful, don't touch nothing. Boy, this thing fit in here perfect like it was meant. So we're gonna put it here, and what is the time? And we're gonna put 13, 1, 3. 1.
Wait, no. I do 1.
And you do the 1, Grace, and then you do the 3. And then Liv, you do the 0. Almost.
We're gonna let them cool, then we're gonna put them over there.
And then what we're gonna do, Grace, after that?
Eat them.
That's the most important part. Eat them.
So, we'll see you guys later. Bye.
If you notice on the pan, this is a non-stick pan. So if you look at the cookies and you look here, you can just slide them all over the place because this pan is considered as a non-stick pan. So that means that it does not stick. We did not have to use oil, okay? So now it is time to place them on
the other pan.
Other pan on the napkin here.
I want the little
We're putting the
one.
delicious cookies on the napkin here. Oh man, I should have worked at a bakery shop. I am so fast. Look at this here. I know you can just call me the cookie man. Y'all like that, the cookie man?
No.
Me either. I don't like it. Sounds cheesy.
Oh, that was burnt.
No, it's just a little brown, you know.
That was burnt too.
No, it's just a little brown.
I mean, that one.
This one.
That one. I mean enough of that pan.
Oh man, I mean enough.
I mean
Whatever.
enough that pan.
It don't even matter, boo.
I mean that pan.
Alright, so
Yep, please.
one is to the right.
That's my little one. That was burnt. That's not. That was burnt. That's Gracie's burnt.
Okay, all easy.
You can do 2 at a time, you know that?
I can't I? I was just trying to put. Oh, it's fine. Yeah, it don't matter now because they pretty much cool. It's showtime now. It is showtime.
You just flip that one over.
Showtime.
Daddy, please stop being hilarious. I ate from that pan.
And we are all done.
Guys, look at this one.
Ooh, be careful. They
I only picked one. This one is super squishy. Like on the top, it's super bright. That's good. Oh, into it.
All right, now it's time to do
Wrap
the
it
best
up.
part of the day.
Wrap it up.
Taste it. Good Lord.
That's really good.
Oh, look at God. Thank y'all.
Bye,
Bye-bye.
guys. Subscribe and put on your notifications so you don't miss a video.
Bye.
Bye.